my dear student. So today we shall continue with the remaining portion from the chapter 2. What's the chapter? Is the skeleton system. Now today we discuss, as my last class I already discussed about the joints and different types of joints. Now today I am going to discuss about the muscles. What? About the muscles and different types of muscles. Now what is muscles? That the muscles are the bundles of elastic fiber and they are flexible and thus bring about the movement of all the body parts. What are the muscles? That the muscles are the bundles of elastic fibers. It's not the one separate things, that is a bundle with a lot of things. And they are flexible and thus bring about the movement of all the body parts. And our muscles, it make the movement of all the body parts. So our muscle, they make our body, all the body parts movement. Now, so it's the definition about the muscles. Now we're going to discuss about the different types of muscles. So muscles are three types. What are the three types? The first one is the skeletal muscles. Second is the smooth muscles, and the third is the cardiac muscles. Again I repeat it. The muscles are three types. That is, the first is the skeletal muscles, second is the smooth muscles, and the third is the cardiac muscles. Now the first one is the skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscles are the muscles that we use to move around. That when we have to move our any body parts, that when we need to move, these are the help by on the time the skeletal muscles help to us to move the different body parts. And these are the voluntary muscles. What is the meaning of the voluntary muscles? That those muscles are controlled by ourselves. We can able to control those muscles. These muscles are known by the name of smooth or the skeletal muscles or voluntary muscles also. Now, so if the question will come, what is the voluntary muscles? What do you write? That those muscles we can control by ourselves. These type muscles are known as the voluntary muscles. Now, like our hand, our legs, that as whenever we want the fingers, it's called the voluntary muscles. Like according to our instruction, it can be moved anytime. And the remaining attach of the bones is special tissue. It called the tendon. Just mark it. What is the tendon? That the tendon is the special tissue that join bones with the muscles. The tendons is a special tissue that make the joint between the bones and muscles. Between the bones and muscles, they make communication by which things? By the tendon. Now the muscles of the arms, legs, feet, these are the examples of the skeletal muscles. So what do you read? The skeletal muscles help us to move around. And those are the muscles that are the skeletal muscles is also called voluntary muscles. We know about what? Because the skeletal muscles that according to ourselves, we can able to move any body parts in the skeletal muscle portion. Like the legs, hand, and those muscles we can able to move. These type muscles are known as the voluntary muscles. Now the next is the smooth muscles. What is the smooth muscles? The smooth muscles are the internal organ of the body. Listen it properly. Those are the voluntary muscles or the skeletal muscles are the external organ of the body. But which one is the smooth muscles? These all are the internal organ. What is the meaning of internal organ? That those organs are present inside of our body. We can't able to see this organ from the outside. We can touch also. This type organ is known as the internal organ of our body. So again I repeat, the smooth muscles are present in the internal organ of our body. What is the internal organ? That those organs are present inside of our body. These organs are known by the name of internal organ. Now the next is the cardiac muscles. The muscles that make up the heart is known as, this one is the cardiac muscles. So those are the smooth muscles. We cannot control these things. Smooth muscles control, it's not in our hand. We cannot control us. We cannot control it like the liver. We cannot control it. And the muscles of stomach, intestine, urinary bladder, these are the smooth muscles. So you're going to discuss it. What is the smooth muscles? That those muscles are present at the inside of our body as an internal organ. These type muscles are known as the smooth muscles. and the smooth muscles are we cannot able to control it. That smooth muscle we cannot operate the smooth muscles. And the example of the smooth muscles are the stomach, intestine, urinary bladder, this all. Now the third one is the cardiac muscles. What is the cardiac muscles? That only one. The cardiac muscles that are made up by the heart. Which muscles that are responsible to formation of heart are made up by the heart? These muscles are known as the cardiac muscles. Again I repeat, which muscles are help us to formation of our heart? These muscles are known by the name of cardiac muscles. Now here they are also called the involuntary muscles. These muscles are also called the involuntary muscles. You know for why it's called the involuntary muscles? Because the heart movement also we cannot control. That is why the heart or this cardiac muscles is also known as the involuntary muscles, because their movement we cannot control by ourselves. Now here the specialized perform continuous movement of the pumping blood into the different parts of the body. So what is the function of the cardiac muscles? That they have to perform the blood and to separate split the blood into the different part of the body. Now what is the importance of muscles? That the muscles are very important for us. They control the movement of the bones. The muscles control the movement of bones, and they provide the movement of the internal organs and performing the activities in our body. Now what are the importance? The muscles are the important in various ways. That the muscles control the movement of the bones and they provide the movement of the internal organ and perform the important activities in our body. So these are about the importance of our muscles. Okay. So I hope you have to understand about what is the definition of muscles and the different types of muscles and their importance also. So today up to here. Next day we shall discuss about the another question. Thank you.